Hi guys,
Hey
welcome
guys.
back to another video. This video is pretty awesome, gotta admit. Right, Darkside Tixover Takeover 2025.
Yep.
Skoda Yeti, loads of other cars,
Yep.
Porsches.
We've brought the granny car, everybody else has brought the grown-up cars.
Yep.
Let's see how we get on.
Yeah, let's see how we get on. Roll the video. You want to go for it? Well, the van just aborted this one, but we can have a little go if you want. It's up to you. Go up here and round here, but I think you'll be fine with that. Good. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Forwards, forwards. That's it. It's up to you. If you want to jump out and look first while you're there, you want to angle a bit more this way. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Because I'll get you to hard lock round. Keep going, that'll do. Then full lock, that's it. Full lock that way, yeah. Forwards. Take off the lock. Straight, 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 straight with the wheels. Pardon? Yeah, because you're not in the ruts. If you go backwards. Is your off-road mode on? So turn the steering. That way. No, the other way. That's it. And now give it a go. Try the other way. I was going to say, try the other way first, just in case. Because it might be a case of rock the steering. There you go. That's it. You almost had it then on that lock you had. The other way. I was going to say, for some reason that wheel's not wanting to spin up. Yeah, it's alright, Darkside have just rocked up. Any chance of a tug backwards?
Let me try and fall in. I'm not stuck, honest. Handbrake start.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey!
It's all yours.
I wasn't stuck, I told you.
It's all alive.
I'm not going to get unstuck because it takes longer.
It's marginal, but you're fine.
Straight?
Straight. Straight. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Fine. Yeah, you're going to be fine.
I'm glad I was right about that.
So guys, that's been the Darkside Tixover Takeover 2025. What a fantastic day it's
really
been.
Has been.
We've learned, so, although we've not really pushed the limits of our Yeti as such, we've learned so much about it, and I feel like that's what these days are all about.
Dust in my eye.
We've had a lot of enjoyment.
We have had a lot of enjoyment. The car has survived.
Smells of clutch because I just did a silly thing going up in reverse.
Yeah,
and it stinks of clutch.
When he said he was going to do it, I was kind of like, fine, myself.
Exactly.
Scott will be Scott.
But I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yes, we definitely did enjoyed making it.
Remember to like, comment and subscribe.
All the fun things
Do all
down
them
there.
fun things down below.
Yep.
And check out the other videos I may have not made from this outing.
And check out Darkside's much better video, which I'm sure Scott will leave in the thingy-doo-dah down below.
Yes.
Why are you pointing up, isn't it?
I don't know, I don't have a clue.
He's topsy-turvy.
But yeah, thank you very much, Darkside, for putting this on.
Yes,
Much appreciated.
Much appreciated.
And we're going to return to Tixover at some point with a Freelander.
Very much so. We need to see what the Freelander is capable around this place, for sure.
Because we've got business to deal with.
We do, very much so.
Right, in that case, Alana's going to spread the camera. So thank you very much for watching. And we'll catch you next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I think I might have almost cut your head out of that a little bit, but that's fine. Goodbye.